Hello everybody, I'm Yasir, and today in this tutorial we will see and we will try to understand the flow circuit of a tempering mechanism, or we can say that what is the manifold of the tempering mechanism or tempering valve, or how the tempering mechanism is going on, what is the lining, what is the, you can say, flow path, what is the manifold of tempering valve or the tempering flow circuit. We will understand this particular thing in this tutorial. So to understand this one, we will take the help from the actual unit. Okay, so here we have the actual nitrogen pumping unit which is right now in operating state. So let's see this the video together and understand this manifold and flow circuit. So here you can see this is the collector section of the high pressure pump. Okay, as you can see here, I am pointing out with my fingers. The high pressure nitrogen is going into the collector section. Okay, this rectangular section which is collecting the nitrogen. Okay, now the back end, right now the pipe I am pointing out, this is actually the start of tempering manifold. Okay, so this line right now I am pointing out, this line is actually the tempering line. So this is actually taking the liquid nitrogen from this collector section. Okay, so it is taking the nitrogen from this collector section. So this line which is getting the nitrogen from the collector section is ultimately, as you can see, now I'm pointing out with the finger, is ultimately going to this autoclave valve. Okay, you can see here, this is the autoclave valve which is controlled from the cabin, control cabin. Okay, and then with the help of this pipe, the liquid nitrogen is entered into the exhaust line. Okay, so this one is the exhaust line. Okay, this line, okay, this line is the exhaust line, and the liquid nitrogen is coming from the tempering line and ultimately entering into this exhaust line. So this is the tempering flow circuit. Okay, simply the liquid nitrogen is coming from the collector section. Then we are controlling this liquid nitrogen with the help of an autoclave valve. This autoclave valve is being controlled from the inside the cabin. Okay, we open and close this one as per the requirement, and ultimately the liquid nitrogen is entered into the discharge line, the gaseous discharge line. In this way, this tempering flow circuit works. Okay.